This week in Congressional stock trading disclosures, the local package backbone starts on June 17th with David Taylor, expands on June 18th with a two-filer Tennessee batch, then stays quiet on June 19th and June 20th. Before this review closed on Sunday, the live 2026 House Clerk search still topped out at Matthew Robert Van Epps filing 200348807. But Thomas H. Kean Jr. filing 200347883 was now visible and was not covered in the saved daily packages. June 15th is a local record gap. There is no dated June 15th daily short folder or build script in the current Congress disclosures package set, so this review does not invent a Monday disclosure call that is not preserved locally. The recap keeps June 15th as a documented production gap and waits for the next confirmed saved daily package before making a week-level filing claim. June 16th is also a saved package gap in the current workspace. There is no dated June 16th daily short folder or June 16th build script in the local project files that back this review package. Because the next preserved daily run does not arrive until June 17th, the recap leaves June 16th as an explicit local gap instead of reconstructing a claim after the fact. June 17th brought the first confirmed weekly rollover in the saved package set. David J. Taylor of Ohio 02 surfaced with PTR original filing ID 200347880, newer than the previously covered Mike Kelly filing ID 200344767. Readable filing lines showed 7 visible positions across Alphabet, Amazon, American Electric Power, Amgen, AT&T, Kroger, and Lam Research, with transaction date June 5, 2026 and notification date June 11, 2026. June 18th expanded into the week's biggest saved batch. The local package confirms Steve Cohen filing 200347996 and Matthew Robert Van Epps filing 200348807 as a real two-filer House extension beyond David Taylor. Cohen showed a $500,001 to $1 million purchase of U.S. Treasury bills, while Van Epps showed 13 visible June 16 sales across Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, ExxonMobil, GE Vernova, Intel, IBM, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Southwest, and Tapestry. June 19th did not prove a new official rollover. The saved package stayed in no disclosures mode because higher ID House spot checks above the June 18th batch did not surface a fresh accessible official periodic transaction report. That run also noted a Senate EFD maintenance notice and a Capital Trade security checkpoint, which left the authoritative House layer as the deciding no new batch signal. June 20th stayed quiet and kept the review conservative. The saved package again found no accessible new House periodic transaction report above Steve Cohen filing 200344796 and Matthew Robert Van Epps filing 200348807. Capital Trade still leaned on older Kevin Hearn and Virginia Fox Rose, so the workflow correctly refused to stretch the June 18th batch into a fake third rollover. Before this review closed, the live 2026 House Clerk member search included Thomas H. Kean Jr. of New Jersey 07, filing ID 200347883, while still topping out at Van Epps filing 200348807 with no higher ID Sunday rollover. A readable Kean PTR showed Amker purchase activity plus Becton Dickinson and Checkpoint sales, an EQT purchase, and a U.S. Treasury note purchase, with visible dates from May 4, 2026 through June 1, 2026 and Kean Family Partnership ownership notes. So this week resolves into 1 David Taylor single filer, 1 Tennessee batch, 2 disciplined quiet checks and 1 late Thomas Kean Jr. add-on. That is cleaner than pretending the missing June 15th and June 16th local packages said more than they do. Like and subscribe for daily Congressional trade disclosure tracking whenever these reports surface. This is reporting, not financial advice.